What if I told you? There's a pasta you absolutely have to try before fall slips away. A dish built around one secret ingredient: figs. Sweet, jammy, perfectly ripe figs. And this? This is guanciale, cured pork cheek. It's not bacon. It's richer, silkier, and the heart of real Roman carbonara. And today, we're making something unexpected with it. I'm 25 weeks pregnant right now, and I've been craving sweet, juicy figs all fall. So I thought, why not pair them with something salty and crispy? First, slice your guanciale. Place it in a cold pan, no oil needed. Start on low heat to slowly render the fat, then raise to medium and let it crisp up beautifully. Once golden and crisp, remove the guanciale and set it aside. Meanwhile, drop 90 grams of spaghetti into a pot of boiling salted water. Back to the pan. Don't wipe it. Add 2 chopped figs directly into that guanciale fat. Let them melt slightly, becoming soft and syrupy, so the sweetness blends with all that salty richness. Now add your pasta to the pan with a splash of pasta water. Toss it well to coat. Sprinkle in about 30 grams of pecorino romano and stir until creamy and glossy. No clumps allowed. Plate it up and top with the last fresh fig, sliced raw. Sweet, salty, creamy, unexpected. A little fall magic in every bite. If this dish made you hungry, give it a like and hit subscribe for more cozy recipes straight from my kitchen.